Okay, good morning children. So today we are continuing our lesson comparing adjectives. Now what is an adjective? Do you remember? An adjective is a word or a group of words that tells you more about a noun or a pronoun. Okay? Today we are going to do page number 31 and 32. Here, fill in the blanks with the correct form of the adjectives given below. The adjectives are already given here, and we have to find out which forms you have to make out of that. Okay? The big sofa is more comfortable than the wooden chair. Now see children. Comfortable. है ना? Comfortable. Two words. So this is two syllable word. If the words are of two syllables, what we have to do? Two or more than two. है ना? More than one actually. Then we have to put here more comfortable or most comfortable. If the is here, then you have to add the most comfortable. Now here it is the big sofa is. So more comfortable than the wooden chair. Now next. Today is the. See here it is the now. The is there and the adjective is warm. So with the we have to add est. The warmest. Today is the warmest day of the summer so far. The situation was graver than we had thought. The pasta in this restaurant is the best in the city. Page number 31. Now children, all of you open with me. Keep your fingers. She is the hardworking and balanced of the two sisters. The Todd was undoubtedly the ugliest thing in the thing the princess had ever seen. Now here it is ugliest. Ugly, uglier, ugliest. Now in this Y we have cut and we have put here I plus est. I have already explained you in the first video. Yeah. The leather was tough and hard to cut into shapes. It was a precious gem and shone brightly. Though Mahek is smarter, Simran is sensible. Alright? Now children, here, pay attention properly. This is very important. Rewrite the sentences after changing the degree of the adjectives to the superlative degree. So superlative degree we have to change it into. One has been done for you. He is more intelligent than all the other students. That means he is the is there, the most intelligent of all the students. The blue whale is a large mammal. The blue whale is the largest mammal. Does this group of children have good voices? Does this group of children have the best? Now good, better, best. So we have to write here best. See, forms good, better, all three are different, and best. So this is positive, comparative and superlative. Clear everybody? I have given you to learn this by heart. You have to learn all the three different tenses. Important, very important. Now, you have given me the heavier bag to carry. Wrong. The heavier it will not be there. What it will be? If the is there, what will we add? The heavy. Yes. So what will you do of this spelling? Heaviest. Correct? You have given me the heaviest bag to carry. Now page number 32. The Ferrari is an expensive car. So we have to change this into superlative degree. No? So the Ferrari is the most expensive car. Ella is shorter than the other girls. So shorter, shortest. Here we'll write Ella is the shortest of all girls. Bhavna is best than Nina at number one. Now best than. 1 minute, I'll take my duster. Yeah. It can't be Bhavna. Bhavna is best na. It is good, better, best. Correct? Good, better, best. So Bhavna is better than Nina at number one. Here we have to put better. The table was more heavy than the dresser. More heavy is no word. It will be heavier. And with that you have to use then. Comparative degree, okay? There are many toffees in my bag than in yours. Wrong. There are more toffees in my bag than yours. Much, more, most. So we have to use here more. He has not got much toys. Wrong. He has not. You cannot count toys. Can you? We cannot say much. We can count. Uncountable nothing. If it is uncountable, then we have to use much. The toys so we can count. So he has not got many toys. Next, that shirt is more white than this one. More white, wrong. It has to be whiter. More white is no word. Okay, we have to use right here. Whiter. Okay, understood? Sixth one. The teachers are the most busy at examination time. Wrong. Most busy is no word. Busy, busier, busiest. The teachers are the busiest at examination time. I am more bad after the doctor changed my medicine. I am feeling worse. Bad, worse, worst. Worse after the doctors changed my medicines. The entire picture is more clear now. The entire picture is clearer now. She found her new subjects difficult than the old ones. Wrong. She found her new subjects more difficult than the old ones. More difficult because it is a comparative degree. Mount Everest is the most high peak in the world. Wrong. Mount Everest is the highest peak in the world. Alright children, so this one lesson we have already completed. Wait. Here, see, let me speak. Comparing adjectives. This is very important lesson. I have already given you work to learn. Everybody has to learn all this. 3 stars, most important. Alright, I am going to ask you an exam also. Yeah. 1, 2, 3 stars. Very important, okay? So, all of you will fill your this book from PDF. I will send you PDF. You have to fill from the PDF and fill correctly. To not make spelling mistakes. Please spelling mistakes na karjo. Copy correctly and neat and clean handwriting. Okay. Bye. See you.